Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're diving into the world of high-end espresso today. I've got the Breville fully automatic espresso machine, the Oracle Touch, the renewed version to be exact. Have you seen this beast?
I have. And I'm countering with the Jura ENA 4 Full Metropolitan Black. It's sleek, it's black, and it promises amazing espresso. Sounds like we have a battle of the titans.
Okay, let's see how they stack up for our listeners. Both aim for that barista quality coffee at home, but they seem to approach it from different angles. The Breville definitely screams bells and whistles. It emphasizes that third-wave specialty coffee experience, and that touchscreen is front and center. It even lets you swipe to choose from espresso, latte, cappuccino, and more.
The Jura is more about streamlined perfection. It highlights its pulse extraction process, or PEP, which optimizes extraction time for the best aroma. It's all about that perfect espresso with minimal fuss.
Right. The Breville has a built-in conical burr grinder that automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of coffee. Does the Jura have one too? Because fresh grounds are key.
Absolutely. The Jura features an Aroma G3 grinder. They claim it's twice as fast as standard grinders, preserving the aroma even better. So both are on point with the fresh grind.
So both have integrated grinders, which is a must for fresh coffee. No pre-ground compromises here. The Breville boasts about automatic microfoam milk texturing with a self-cleaning steam wand powered by its own dedicated boiler. I mean, self-cleaning? That sounds amazing for latte art.
The Jura doesn't seem to focus on milk frothing in the same way. It's really about the espresso and coffee drinks themselves. No milk-based options with one touch.
So if you're a latte or cappuccino person, the Breville might be the clear winner. It even lets you save 8 personalized coffee settings. Talk about catering to your specific tastes.
The Jura is programmable for coffee strength, and it has 4 pre-programmed specialties: espresso, espresso doppio, coffee, and coffee doppio. Simple and effective.
Capacity-wise, the Breville has a bigger water tank, 67 ounces, compared to the Jura's 37-ounce tank. That means fewer refills if you're making coffee for a crowd.
True, but the Jura is more compact overall. It weighs less too, at 21 pounds, versus the Breville's hefty 37.3 pounds. So, if counter space is a concern, the Jura might be the better choice.
Good point. The Breville is a beast. It also talks about optimal water pressure to prevent bitter flavors, using an overpressure valve. They've really thought about the nuances of espresso extraction.
The Jura highlights being eco-friendly, emphasizing fresh grounds over capsules for less waste. Plus, it uses a 37-ounce water tank and a 4.4-ounce bean container. Ultimately, it depends on what you want. The Breville is feature-rich, customizable, and great for milk-based drinks, while the Jura is simple, compact, and focused on pure espresso perfection. Consider your priorities.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.